Go Bills, especially going into the night. You can see we've got our blue and red going on here for you. We are trying to keep the good energy going, but while we do that, we are also trying to keep you ahead of the game going into the week because there's a lot going on here.
Yeah, there's a lot going on weather-wise. We've got a lot of lead time for this wind warning that's going up for Tuesday, and that's kind of significant because it means that the National Weather Service has a high confidence level that we are going to find these winds. Today, seasonable, reasonable, a top temp of 32 after a low of 28. Not a big split there because we had a lot of clouds, although I did see a few breaks of sunshine coming into work earlier today. This is what you can expect going into tonight. We are going to find just a few snow flurries around. Temperatures are going to be easy to take as we go into Tuesday and early Wednesday. This is when we're going to get a mixture of snow and rain that'll go over to all rain, but really the more important element here is the high wind. We're going to be talking about some pretty good wind gusts, more on that here in just a minute. And then after a couple days of quiet weather, we have another storm to talk about for next weekend. Precipitation type to be determined, but there will be more wind with that feature. Temperatures tomorrow into the mid-30s, easy to take, like I said, with a few breaks of sunshine. We have the high wind warning that's going to go up early Tuesday, or later Tuesday morning, I should say, and continue into early Wednesday. The gust potential is there for 65 miles per hour. That's going to be along the Chautauqua Ridge, I think, into Wyoming County. And there's the storm. It's a juicy system. A lot of rain associated with it. Initially, when it comes in, I think it'll feature a little bit of snow. On the backside, a little bit of snow. Again, a quiet period. And then the next storm marches, I think, largely to the west. But there are some models that want to take it a little further south and east. Either way, we get in on the wind and the rain on Tuesday. Check out some of these rainfall tallies. Could be on the order of maybe an inch and a half, and check out some of these wind gusts. By the time we get to 9 o'clock in the morning, Dunkirk could be gusting beyond 50 miles per hour, and we could see some stronger gusts than that as we go into Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night is the time frame to watch for some of these stronger wind gusts from basically the Genesee Valley west into western New York, and those winds are going to continue to be fresh even into Wednesday morning. Right now, 31 degrees. The wind is coming in out of the west, feels like 24. We've got temperatures, again, largely uniform because of the cloud cover. On the national scene, there's that storm emerging east of the Rockies. Right now, again, things are pretty quiet. Just a few snow flurries around, and those flurries will fade, and we're left with a lot of clouds through the overnight. Temperatures into the upper 20s. Tomorrow, we're into the low and mid 30s mostly, and the breeze will be starting to shift more into a southeasterly direction going into later tomorrow night, and then the first batch of precipitation comes in the form of some rain and wet snow, goes over to all rain, and then the winds really start to freshen. So the call for tonight, a cloudy sky, a few flurries around, the overnight low temperature at 28. We make it up to 33 in Lancaster, 33 in Grand Island, 36 should do it for a top temp in West Seneca. There's the super 7-day forecasting, and Tuesday's kind of messy. Upper 40s, snow, rain, going to rain, high winds. Could be some power outages around as well. On Wednesday, everything kind of winds down to a few showers of rain and wet snow. Some flakes will fly Thursday, but nothing special. And then it's next weekend that we get in on another wind maker with rain and snow and falling temperatures. So bottom line, there's a lot to track here, but you do want to have that heads up on the high winds for Tuesday.
Yeah, winter's been so good to us, so I feel like it's time to expect all this, but on